up, YouTube? It's your boy Skittlefabz. I have an unboxing for you guys. Like I said in my previous video that I was going to do an unboxing. Well, I got one. I got an unboxing for the Caliber SRT4, and I want to show you guys my brand new Eastwood Fender roller that I received last week. I did an unboxing for my Facebook page, Skittlefabz. So if you guys haven't gone and checked that page out, go check that page out. All you gotta do is go to Facebook search and you can write Skittlefabz the same way it's written on my YouTube channel. Let's just get to the shop, guys. I got an hour and 15-minute drive. My buddy Jason, I hope he's done something to my Neon so I can give you guys an update. So if not, I really do apologize. But don't worry, you guys will definitely see my Neon, so stay tuned. Oh, by the way, guys, before I forget, I also want to let you guys know that lately my Caliber has been, like, I guess, overheating. Like, I be non-stop putting coolant into my car. Like, oil too, but that's what makes me think that the turbo's blown, because of the fact that I'm burning oil and consuming it somehow, and it's not in my antifreeze. So I'm literally thinking about just doing an antifreeze flush, or just draining all my antifreeze and starting off with new orange Dexcool and just go from there and see what happens. But like every time I go to bubble my system, I'm overheating. Like, look at me right now. I've been driving for not even 5 minutes right now, you guys, and you guys can see I'm overheating. So I gotta stop at my pop's house and I gotta go ahead and burp my system and add more coolant. It's crazy because I don't know exactly what it is. It could be one of three things. It could be the turbo, it could be the head gasket and the head being warped, or it could be the thermostat. Leave your comments in the comments below and let me know what you guys think so I can go ahead and check those things, because that's what I think it is. Alright guys, so I'm just getting the shop. That's Jason's car. 05 NSRT4. My Neon is behind those doors, guys. Let's see what she looks like in my car. I've been adding coolant here and there, so I've been trying to keep it under 200. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Walk into a PVO. And that is the one that I had on my Neon. But I am selling it to Dylan. Looks sick. And this is mine, but nothing's been done to it in a couple weeks. I'm gonna let that light turn on, but that's my bay, guys. That's what she looks like. It's pretty much finished up. You guys can see right here, I finished this. It's nice and smooth. Right there, it's nice and smooth, which is awesome. All flush. I know it's a long time coming. You guys been waiting, I've been waiting, everybody's been waiting for the Neon to be finished, but guys, it's just time and money, to be honest. It's just time and money, and you guys know all about that. These cars are nothing but pocket suckers, I guess you could call it. But let's get into the unboxing. I know you guys want to see what's in this box, so let's get to it. So I went to go film the unboxing and it came out blurry. And I did like 12 minutes worth of unboxing and show you guys the Fender rollers, but it came out blurry. I'd like to shout out dude I bought it from, Gonzalo Rios in California. Yo bro, I appreciate it. I know I haven't got back to you that I got it, but I got it. So I'm just gonna show you guys. This is my box. It's unboxed. And this is my stock cat. I had to buy this because my car is straight pipe, guys. My cat is blown to pieces. My resonator has a hole in it, and it's dual exhaust. Like, it is loud. and I don't want to get pulled over. Right now I have a rejection ticket due to being flagged in Massachusetts when I bought the car in New York, Long Island, 2 years ago. So now I'm over here swapping my cat out with a fresh OEM cat that hasn't been modified, hasn't been gutted, and hasn't been blown to pieces by a two-step. So I got that, which I'm pretty pumped about, that he left the O2 sensors on there, upstream and downstream, so thank you. Let's talk about the Eastwood fender roller. I have my 2017 Eastwood fender roller, and then I have the brand new 2018 Eastwood fender roller, which is so fresh, so fresh. Like, I wish it would stay this clean. But the way I do fender rolls, guys, and the amount of fender rolls I do per year, if I was you, don't buy a wannabe fender roller from eBay. If you guys do buy any fender roller from eBay, buy the one that's in the description below. I'll leave a link for my affiliate marketing that is dedicated to Eastwood. Like, it's an Eastwood fender roller, so you guys won't be scammed for a cheap one that'll fall apart or that might bend right here when you put a lot of pressure on the roller. But guys, I love this thing, and if you're in the market to buy a fender roller, buy an Eastwood. Don't buy a no name or a wannabe. Eastwood is the way to go, guys. I don't know, I gotta install this cat, so I want to get a how-to video for you guys, so that's what I think I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm gonna replace the cat and bring you guys a video, so stay tuned, smash the like button, and if you guys want, go check me out on Facebook, Skittlefabz, and smash that like button, guys, and say what's up. Alright? Be easy. Peace.